Welcome back to Car Updater. Today, we're exploring the formidable Komatsu D375A-8 Bulldozer, a machine renowned for its power and efficiency in heavy-duty applications. The Komatsu D375A-8 is powered by the Komatsu SAA6D170E7 engine, delivering a net horsepower of 610 HP, 455 kilowatts in forward gear and an impressive 748 HP, 558 kilowatts in reverse. This increase in reverse power enhances productivity during return cycles. Weighing approximately 72,900 kilograms, the D375A-8 is equipped with a robust undercarriage designed to handle the rigors of mining and heavy construction tasks. The bulldozer offers blade options to suit various operational needs. The semi-U blade has a capacity of 24.2 cubic yards, while the full U blade accommodates up to 28.8 cubic yards. These blades are engineered with a larger slanted edge for easier digging in an altered cross-section to boost productivity. A notable feature is the automatic lock-up torque converter, which reduces fuel consumption by up to 10% by eliminating unnecessary power loss. This system ensures that when direct drive is advantageous, the lock-up clutch engages automatically, enhancing efficiency. The D375A-8 also prioritizes maintenance efficiency. Features such as centralized greasing points, ground-level service centers, and battery and starter isolators with lockout-tagout functionality are integrated to minimize planned downtime and streamline maintenance procedures. Operator comfort is enhanced with an air-conditioned ROPS rollover protective structure cabin, designed to provide a safe and comfortable working environment. The cabin's ergonomic layout and advanced controls contribute to reduced operator fatigue during long shifts. In terms of pricing, the Komatsu D375A-8 varies based on factors such as age, condition, and included features. For instance, a 2021 model with approximately 2,940 hours of operation was listed at $1,350,000 AUD excluding GST. Another listing for a 2018 model with around 7,672 hours was priced at $1,350,000 AUD excluding GST. These examples illustrate that newer models with fewer operational hours command higher prices, reflecting their extended service potential. The Komatsu D375A-8 stands as a testament to Komatsu's commitment to delivering powerful, efficient, and operator-friendly machinery. Its blend of advanced features and robust design makes it a valuable asset in the mining and heavy construction industries. Thank you for joining us on this detailed overview of the Komatsu D375A-8. Stay tuned to Car Updater for more insights into the latest in heavy machinery and vehicles.